Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Metabo HPT 36 volts triple hammer IP56 rated against the Makita 40 volt max XGT. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel. Brushless. So this is top of the line from Makita 40 volt tool, and this is a 36 volt tool. We're running a 2.5 amp hour battery on the Metabo, and we're running a 2.5 amp hour battery on the Makita 40 volts. So as you guys see, full battery there. As you guys see, full battery. So full batteries on both. All right, we're gonna start with some simple drilling. So we got a 1/2 inch bit here, a drill bit. We're gonna start with this, and then we're gonna move on to some harder stuff. Eventually we'll get to the hardest. All right, since we're gonna be starting, since this is the newest tool, we're gonna start with this one. So we're gonna go ahead and drill some holes here. All right, we got the Makita. This is a quick insert collet. We're gonna be running at a speed 4. This does have 4 speeds, so you guys see there. All right, one, two, three, go. That was speed 3, by the way. That was maximum power. That was some power mode. All right, we got a 1 inch spade bit. We're gonna start with the Metabo. All right, we got the Makita 40 volt XGT. Gonna do a hole right here, one speed 4. We're gonna do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we got a 4 inch lag. This is a 1/2 inch by 4 inch lag. This is a pretty big lag. This is something you will not run with this. I think maybe a bigger tool, but these tools are able to do this. This is really hard for these tools. Just to let you know, we're running a 3/4 inch socket. This is an impact socket with an adapter. We're gonna start with the Metabo. Here's the Metabo HPT. Alright, we're going to start with the Metabo. We're just going to do a hole right here. 40 volt XGT. Makita. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so. Alright, so it's all the way in. Alright, let's take this off. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, go. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about these two tools. I think they're really smooth tools. To tell the truth, there's a lot smoother than American, than the DeWalt Milwaukee. You guys know those are solid tools, but then again, we're on the video of these two. So these do feel really smooth. I particularly like the Makita. Makita is really comfortable. It has a lot of features in there. Tons, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus you have self-tapping mode there. You got 2 self-tapping modes, and yeah, it's just, and you got a screw mode there, like automatic screw mode, so you don't overscrew. This one has some nice features. Does have a self-tapping mode, 3 speeds. You do have a light selector there. Pretty nice. Metabo is pretty nice. The only thing I don't like about the Metabo is this part. Let me just do a temperature test. 693, 102. 105, 107, 109. I mean 107.9, 109, 113. So yeah, 113 is the hottest. Alright, that's the Makita. I know it's running cool. I'm just going to do a temperature test for you guys. So 100, 198, 91, 90, parity, 86, 89. Cool. Alright, so guys, what do you guys think about these tools? I personally like both of them. This one feels a little bit smoother. Maybe because I don't know, it's just Makita feels a lot smoother, a lot nicer in the hand. This one feels like it has plenty of power. I don't know about the 36 volt though. I don't know if it has more than the 18 volts or not. You guys are gonna, I don't know the results yet. You guys are gonna see them after I finish editing the video. Once I finish editing the video, then I'm gonna see the results. But for now, I don't know the results. Anyways, let me know down on the comment section, what do you guys think about these two tools? Would you consider buying this one or this one? Or do you have another brand? Or another question, do you guys want me to put these two tools or this tool against another brand? Let me know down in the comment section what tool brand do you want to see next against this one, the triple hammer, or the Makita. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.